Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of another Samsung Galaxy device. So let's watch.
And friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, as we know, the coronavirus pandemic may have forced Samsung to stop its operations in many countries, but it doesn't seem to have affected them, as they are bringing the Android 10 and One UI 2.0 update to eligible Galaxy devices. Many of Galaxy smartphones have already received Android 10, and another device is now joining the list. This time, a Galaxy A series smartphone is getting this update, which is Galaxy A20. The update for Galaxy A20 is currently available in Russia, Vietnam, Chile and Philippines. And friends, if you are enjoying the video, then please subscribe my channel for more tech videos of this type. Come to the topic. Friends, the Galaxy A20 is one of the mid-range device of Samsung from 2019. The phone was launched with Android Pie and now getting its first major OS update. The update comes with April 2020 security patch. After updating to One UI 2, we will got lots of new features like built-in screen recorder, new dark mode and much more. You can download the update through FOTA by going to software update menu in settings. Otherwise, you can also update your phone by flashing the Android 10 firmware. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy A20. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Peace out.